Hello, welcome to the class of measuring voltage. I'm Laura Lewis, and let's get started with it. So, learning aims. So, number 1, explain what voltage is in physical terms. Number 2, understand that voltage can vary across components. 3, understand how to connect a voltmeter in a circuit to measure the voltage. Okay. What is voltage? That's the first question, isn't it? What is voltage? Okay. So it's different to current and different to resistance. Okay, so voltage is the energy per unit charge. Okay, energy per unit charge, and it's actually voltage can actually be thought of as being joules per coulomb. So joules from energy. And coulomb from charge. Okay, so it's the energy of the charge carrier. So in a wire, the charge carrier is generally an electron. Okay, so it can be thought of as the energy of the electrons. The other name for voltage is potential difference. Okay, potential difference. So when you talk about measuring voltage, you'll see why we talk potential difference, because it's the difference between 2 points. Okay, so let's think about voltage in a circuit then. Okay, so we have 2 identical lamps. Okay, we have a 12-volt source. They're going to share equally, okay, because they're identical. But what happens if they're not identical? So if things are not identical, it's split according to ratio. So let's have 2 resistors of different resistances. Okay. So 2 resistors. So we're going to have 12 volts again. Okay, the source. So this resistor is going to be 5 ohms. And this is going to be 1 ohm. So that's a 5-to-1 difference. So the thing with the higher resistance, what's called draw, a higher voltage. So you've got 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, in total. So we have to do 12 over 6. Okay, to find one part. Okay, so that's 2 volts. And because that's 5 parts, that will draw 10 volts. And because only 1 remaining, that will draw 2 volts. Okay, so we talk about resistance also. Let's do it again. Let's have the same sort of thing. Okay, things are drawing different, so 2 different resistors again. They look similar, not quite the same. So if you have 2 ohms and 4 ohms. Okay, so you can see that that's going to be 2-to-1. Okay, 2-to-1. So that's total of 2-to-1. So I didn't put the voltage, we'll say the same one. So 2-to-1, so that's 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So this one, if it's 2 lots of this, is 8 volts, and this will draw 4 volts. So if components are not identical, they'll draw different voltages. Okay, just in that ratio. It can be useful in applications later on A-level, things we call a potential divider. Okay, we just need to know that point. Now let's talk about connecting a voltmeter. Okay, so let's just draw a simple circuit with a bulb. Just a simple series circuit. So unlike an ammeter, which you've seen before, a voltmeter is connected in parallel. So it's a V in a circle. Okay, so voltmeter is connected in parallel. Okay, so the thing is because voltage has to be measured between 2 points. Okay, it measures before and after the bulb. That's where the potential difference, or PD part, comes in. PD, potential difference part, comes in. Okay, so voltmeters are connected in parallel. Thank you for joining this class. I hope we see you in a future class. Thank you. Goodbye.